Hi YouTube, back on the Bx25 Hydrostatic fan replacement. Wanted to just show you real quick the lifting of the engine, how much is actually required to get in here. My engine mount, or the engine mount, goes right here. So as you can see, you only have to lift it up about 2 inches. Somebody put that online, high. And it only needs to go, when you lift it up, you're going to have to remove these mounts, because they're going to get caught in here, and then you're going to have to make sure you clear that other one in here, which is actually not that difficult. The motor kind of wants to go up. I'm not sure how hard it's going to be to put them back. I'm just about to do that. A couple things I did want to note is I was missing parts last time. I was finishing the repair, and I did this part of the install first because I had these four little washers that go inside the bearing. And I installed this part without installing this side, and I replaced the boot as well. And because I did that, this didn't have as much play. I would have been able to bring it back further. So putting this on right now, I wear medium size gloves, was extremely difficult. I haven't actually mounted it on yet, but I'm gonna bring the engine back and do that. But one recommendation is do not install either one of them. I'd probably get them mounted on the shaft. That way at least you have a little bit of play. You can turn this more at an angle. This is me trying to use it to brace instead of using a pry bar. So don't try to put that was even with a piece of rubber. So it's very difficult to turn. The other thing you might want to be aware of is if you throw the tractor in neutral, you can turn this bar with your hand, with using both hands on these, grabbing onto that right there, which I didn't know until I had to know because I couldn't work around it. So anyways, hope you found the video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.